Welcome to a 2-minute video on the benefits of Badbank's pre-reconciled OFX files for Xero and other accounting systems. Badbank gives you a way to see inside your OFX files before you upload them into an accounting system. You do this by opening up the top-level CSV file in the output folder, not the CSV in the Xero subfolder. That is a less comprehensive file for direct upload to Xero. In this top-level CSV, you can see the exact transactions that have been extracted and put inside the OFX file. Remember, if there are no transactions in a statement, Badbank will not create an OFX output file. There are 5 benefits of Badbank OFX files. First, each transaction has a truly unique FIT ID number, which is a Badbank-generated hash. That means that a transaction cannot be duplicated in a Xero upload. The second unique benefit is these square bracket entries showing that Badbank has already reconciled the statement by finding the beginning and ending balance in all transactions. If there is a reconciliation error, you can easily see what it is. More often than not, it is an elusive bank fee. When you upload your Badbank OFX or CSV file into Xero, you will not see these square-bracketed $0 reconciliation entries in Xero, but you can always see them here in the top-level CSV that Badbank generates for you. The third benefit of Badbank is these cleaned-up name fields, of course. The fourth benefit is that Badbank identifies transfers between accounts in a square-bracketed comment that looks like this, making it easier for you to make sure money is flowing to and from the correct accounts, and making it easier to sort on similar transactions in Excel. By viewing the Badbank CSV, a Xero user can see the value of Badbank's enhanced pre-reconciled OFX and CSV upload files, which don't allow duplications, and because they are pre-reconciled, don't lose transactions either. Finally, the fifth major benefit to Badbank's approach is that we pull out check numbers, and through using Badbank's optional directive file, you can assign names to these checks prior to uploading the transactions into Xero.
Continue to Intro to the optional directive file for renaming.